Hey there, today we're diving into the features of the Ergon GA2 grips, designed with GravityControl Rubber for enhanced performance on your mountain biking adventures. These grips boast a wider diameter, making them perfect for larger hands or those seeking better damping on rugged trails. Crafted for versatility, the GA2 is ideal for mountain biking, all-mountain, freeride, and dirt riding, ensuring you have the control you need in any terrain. The grips are secured with durable CNC aluminum clamps, providing a reliable hold during intense rides. With a diameter of 33 mm, they offer a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing your biking experience. Weighing in at just 135 grams, they add minimal weight to your setup while maximizing comfort and control. Upgrade your ride with the Ergon GA2 and feel the difference in your biking performance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.